humility, and it's a great honor for me and my brother Byari and Valentino. We humbly, on behalf of President Paul Kagame, on behalf of the 54 nations of the African continent who are members of CAF, token of our gratitude, appreciation, and recognition of your great contributions to football development and to many of the other outstanding work that you are doing and have done. May God be with you, and we would like you to come on stage.